Okay, children, now number 9. This is a single fraction plus the second fraction minus the third fraction is equal to 19 upon 10. So there are three fractions on the left side. We'll find the common LCM, 3, 2 and 5. LCM is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10, and that 10 has to be multiplied with these two terms. So I'm putting 10 outside, and the terms which are more are being put in the bracket. Plus, this is the plus sign. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 has to be multiplied with these two. So two terms to be put in a bracket. Minus 30 divided by 5 is 6. And 6 has to be multiplied with both these terms. And equals to 19 upon 10. It's a single fraction on the right. So let it be the same way. Now let's multiply. 10 into 2x is 20x. 10 into 1 is 10. 15 into 4x is 60x. 15 into 1 is 15. Like all the signs are plus, so no need to change any sign. Now here minus 6, minus and plus is minus. 6 into 3x is 18x. Minus and plus is minus. 6 into 5 is 30. 20x, 60x, 18x. This is plus and this is minus. So add them and subtract 18. You get 62x. 10, 15, 25. And plus 25 and minus 30 is minus 5 is equal to 19 upon 10. Now single fraction, put across, and this is actually cross multiplication. Now here children, just see what did I do. Single fraction and single fraction, you can always cut the denominator. Like you can cancel the denominator. So 0 here and 0 here. If you want, you can cut. Otherwise, you can leave them as 10 and 30. And when you cross multiply 10 with these two terms and 30 with this 19. That's up to you. If you cut, the question becomes a little simplified. So now 1 into this is the number itself, and 3 into 19 you have to multiply. 3 into 19 you get 57. This minus 5 shifted to the other side becomes plus 5. 62x is equal to 62. Keep x here and take 62 to the other side. It's again, it was multiplication. It has to divide. Do the cutting. The value of x is equal to 1. Number 10. This is the question. Now, beta, there's a number outside the bracket, which is a fractional number. So I've put 1 inside so that all the numbers become fractional numbers. I've put 1 here, and 1 here. Now, first of all, this cannot be solved. So the outer number is being multiplied with the inner number. When you are multiplying a fraction with a fraction, the numerator is multiplied with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Next, 3 into 1 is 3, 5 into 1 is 5. Now here, inside the bracket, I'm going to first solve by finding out the LCM of 1 and 3, which is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3 only, and 3 into 2x is 6x, minus 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 into x is 1x. You can write x also. Both ways it's correct, or you can write single x, or you can write it as 1x. And then 1 into 1 is 1, but this is minus, so minus plus sign becomes minus. The other side again, same thing we'll do. 3 and 5, LCM 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 into 2x is 10x plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 into 4 is 12. Now this remains as it is. This remains as it is. Here, 6x minus 1x is 5x minus 1 inside the bracket. The other side it's same again. Next, what I'm going to do is 5, 5 and 3. One fraction, second fraction, third fraction, LCM. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 into 9x is 27x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 15 divided by 3 is 5. And that 5 has to be multiplied with these two terms. So let them be in the bracket. Rest everything remains same. Here 5 into 5x is 25x. Minus minus plus 5 into 1 is 5. Again here beta, I have cancelled the denominators because this is a single fraction. One denominator means it's a single fraction and single fraction. 15, 1, 15, 1. Otherwise, you can multiply 15 when you are cross multiplying. That the question will become little complicated. So now you can solve this. 27x minus 25x is 2x, and plus 9 and plus 5 is plus 14. And on the right, 10x plus 12. Now keeping your x. Now generally what we do is we always take the smaller variable to the higher variable. So this is 2x smaller than 10x. So 2x is shifted towards the other side. But it's entirely your wish. You can keep x on right or towards the left as per your own wish. So keep 14 here and take this plus 12 on the other side becomes minus. 14 in minus 12 is 2. And 10x minus 2x is 8x. Now we have to find the value of the variable. So always shift the number which is with the variable to the other side. It's 8x, keep x here, and take this 8 to the other side. It's being multiplied here. On shifting, it has to divide. Now do the cutting. 2, 1 and 2, 4. The value of x is equal to 1 by 4. Number 14. Now write down the question. Now here also beta, this was a fraction outside, so I am putting 1 here and I am putting 1 here, so that when we multiply it becomes simple. It's a single fraction, keep it as it is, minus, multiply this so that we finish the bracket, multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, minus minus is plus, 1 into 1.7 is 1.7 and 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Single fraction, let it be as it is. Now 3, 2 and 2, find out the LCM. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and that 2 has to be multiplied with 2 terms. So more number of terms are put in a bracket, minus 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 into 1x is 3x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 into 1.7 is 5.1. Now just to finish off the bracket, multiply the outer number with the inside values. 2 into x is 2x and 2 into 1.3 is 2.6 minus 3x plus 5.1 is equal to 1.1 by 4. Now 2x is plus, 3x is minus, 1 plus 1 minus, we subtract, sign of the greater number, that is minus. You can write x or you can write 1x, both ways it's correct. Next, this is 2.6 and this is 5.1, both with plus sign, so add them. That's 7.76 is equal to 1 by 4. Here if you want to cancel like 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, you can do that and then cross multiply. So I did not multiply simply for this question because the numbers was little small. Now cross multiply, 4 to be multiplied with these two and 6 to be multiplied with 1. 4 into x is minus 4x and both plus. 4 into 7.7 is 30.8 is equal to 6. This is minus 4x, I'm shifting it to the right, it becomes plus 4x, 30.8 and this plus 6 is to be taken to the left, it becomes minus 6. Now this is 6, so I'm making it 6.0 because the number from which I have to subtract it, it's a decimal number. So it's better we make the other number also a decimal number. And a non-decimal number, when we make a decimal number, we always put decimal at the end and then we add a digit, that is 0. Now subtract it, you get 24.8. Keep x here, this 4 was being multiplied, shift it to the other side and divide. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24 point and 4 2s are 8. The value of x equal to 6.2. Okay, number 16, 3x plus 4 upon 2x minus 3, single fraction is equal to 5 by 3. So directly beta, I am going to cross multiply because there is single fraction on both the sides. 3 has to be multiplied with these two terms and 5 has to be multiplied with these two terms. Now let's multiply. 3 into 3x is 9x and 3 into 4 is 12 is equal to 5 into 2x is 10x and plus minus minus 5 3s are 15. Now this 9x I'm shifting to the other side, becomes minus 9x. 12 is already here, minus 15 will be taken to the left side, it becomes plus 15. 12 plus 15 is 27 is equal to 10x minus 9x is single x or 1x. Generally with the variable we don't write 1, so the value of x is equal to 27.